Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we unveil the science behind the 11 healthiest foods that are low in carb and will fuel your quest for weight loss and a healthier lifestyle. Today, we'll delve deep into the nutritional secrets of these foods, exploring their benefits and how they can transform your well-being. So, grab a seat and let's dive in. With each discovery, you'll be empowered with the science that propels your goals. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single moment of this enlightening ride. Number 1. Optimal muscle fuel. Red meats. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the nutritional science behind red meats. Picture this: high-quality grass-fed animal meats like beef and lamb, sizzling with protein power. These red meats aren't just a treat for your taste buds, they're your ultimate allies in muscle building. Protein, the building block of muscle fibers, will be your secret weapon in gaining strength and prowess. And guess what? The amino acids found in protein play a starring role in this muscle-building spectacle. Number 2. Nutrient-dense greens. Kale. Now, brace yourselves for a leafy green champion that's about to steal the spotlight. The legendary kale. Brace your taste buds for a journey of extraordinary nutrition. Double the vitamin C of oranges, more calcium than milk, and enough potassium to make bananas jealous. Imagine the magic kale brings vitamin C, a true antioxidant hero that supports your immune system and even gives your skin a radiant boost. And the calcium? It's not just for bones. It's your ticket to strong teeth too. And the potassium? It's a master of fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Number 3. Protein-packed wonder. Eggs. Hold on to your culinary hats, because here come the eggs, your protein-packed partners in this adventure. Are you ready to crack open the science behind these little wonders? This knowledge is too good to miss. Amino acids and satiety. Eggs, my friends, are your secret weapon for curbing those cravings and staying full longer. How? Protein, dear viewers, the ultimate champion of satiety. Those amino acids within the proteins play the role of superheroes, repairing and building muscle fibers like never before. Number 4. Nutrient-rich crunch. Pecans. Let's talk crunch, flavor, and nutrition all wrapped into one. It's time to meet pecans. Get ready to go nuts for these low-carb powerhouses. But hey, while you're getting ready to crunch away, take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button so you're in the loop with all things nutritious. Pecans are the real deal when it comes to healthy snacking. Low net carbs and high fiber content mean they're here to support your blood sugar control and digestion. But wait, there's more. These little gems boast zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and healthy fats that keep you satisfied and curb those unhealthy cravings. Number 5. The savory advantage. Cheese. Brace yourselves for a dairy delight that's about to dazzle your taste buds. It's time to dive into the world of cheese. Now, imagine this: cheese that's not only a delight to your taste buds but a boon to your health. When it's sourced from grass-fed cows or goats, you're inviting a parade of fat-soluble vitamins A, E, D, and K2 to enhance your immunity, support your bones, and give you a glow from within. Number 6. Cruciferous marvels. Cauliflower and leafy greens. Now, get ready to venture into the world of nutritional powerhouses that are none other than cauliflower and its cruciferous companions. These veggies are like superheroes for your liver, aiding detoxification and cleansing your system. But that's not all. The potassium and magnesium they pack are your allies in lowering insulin resistance, a key factor in effective fat burning. Number 7. Healthy fat sources. Avocados and olive oil. Hold on to your health hats, because we're about to unveil the luscious goodness of avocados and the liquid gold that is olive oil. Avocados aren't just trendy. They're here to give you a dose of monounsaturated fat magic. These fats provide energy that's gentle on your body, and they rejoined by an army of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E to balance hormones, improve insulin resistance, and promote healthy skin. But hey, before we delve into more delicious details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep savoring this wisdom. Number 8. Youthful Sustenance Pure Butter. Prepare to be amazed by the age-defying benefits of pure butter. Picture this: butter not just as a delicious addition, but as a source of retinol, the vitamin A derivative that supports youthful skin and overall vitality. And guess what? Butter is your body's ally in hormone production, including insulin, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, the hormonal squad that fuels your weight loss journey. Number 9. Fungi with benefits. Mushrooms. Step into the enchanted world of mushrooms, where culinary delight meets unparalleled nutrition. From the earth to your plate, mushrooms are your passport to a nutrient-packed journey. These versatile delights bring a medley of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to your diet. And the best part? They're fat-free, low in sodium, and cholesterol-free, making them an ideal choice on your path to health. Number 10. Herbal allies. Freshly chopped herbs and spices. Brace yourselves, flavor enthusiasts, because we're diving into the world of freshly chopped herbs and the spice sensations that redefine your culinary experiences. Freshly chopped herbs like mint, basil, parsley, and spices such as turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger are your ticket to elevating taste and health simultaneously. Packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, these flavor warriors help you crush your weight loss goals while adding that delectable zing to your meals. Number 11. Oily fish bonanza. Wild salmon and more. Are you ready for a splash of omega-3 goodness? It's time to explore the oceanic realm of wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies. Omega-3 fatty acids are your superheroes in the fight against inflammation and weight loss challenges. But here's the catch: wild-caught fish are the stars of this show. They provide superior nutrients, unlike their farmed counterparts. What a journey we've embarked upon! From the marvels of red meats to the incredible benefits of wild salmon, you're now armed with a treasure trove of nutritional knowledge. But remember, this journey is ongoing, and every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle counts. And as we bid adieu, I must remind you one last time: hit that subscribe button and be part of our vibrant community. Stay enthusiastic, stay curious, and keep exploring the science behind the foods that nourish your body and elevate your life. Until next time, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.